12a, that looks quite nice. You know, we're just doing 3 plus 6 plus 9 all the way up to 99. Do you know how many there are? Clearly we're going up in threes, so there are going to be 33 of them. And let's just use the formula n over 2, the first plus the last, because that'll be quicker, won't it? And so that total there is 1683. If you weren't sure that there were 33 of them, you'd have to go through like we did in the first exercise. Part B. Isn't this exactly what we just did in question 11? So we've got the first term is 4p, the difference is 4p, and the last one that we've got there is 400. Find the number of terms in the series. It is. So we've got 400 equals a plus n minus 1d. A plus n minus 1 times d. So 400 equals 4p plus 4pn minus 4p, multiplying that out. The 4p's cancel out, and so n is equal to 400 divided by 4p. Of course, we can cancel out the 4 there to leave us 100 over p. So I've got n is 100 over p. Part 2 of that, find out what the sum is then. So Sn is n over 2. This over 2, I'm going to go straight in for that because you can now divide by 2. 2a's plus n minus 1. That's going to be fun. 100 over p minus 1 times by the difference, which is 4p. So that looks a little bit grotty. So let's just tidy some of that up. I've got 8p. So we just times this out, can't we? So 100 over p times 4p, that actually is just 400, isn't it? Because the p's will cancel, and then minus 4p. So I've got 500 over p times by 400 plus 4p. So timesing these two bits out gives us 2000 over p. Timesing those two bits out just gives us plus 50 times 4, which is 200. Oh, that's what we wanted. Done. And part C, actually just a new question. You've got that the first term is 3p add 2. The next term is 5p add 3. So the difference is we've got an extra 2p add 1 there. And we just want the 80th term. So the 80th term is the first term plus 79 differences. So I've got 79 times 2 is 158 plus the extra 3. So that's 161p's. And then I've got 79 add 2, which makes 81. It doesn't actually lead on from the rest of the question. It's just a different part.